Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. This will be my first video after the holidays, so I'm just going to take this opportunity to wish you guys a happy new year. Whatever you've set your heart and your mind to achieve this year, I pray that you achieve it in folds. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. And also guys, if you want to know where I got this hair from, I will leave all the details in my description bar below. Is from AWL Hair and Beauty. Today we're going to be doing a review on an eyeshadow palette that I got gifted to me. It's from Ted Baker. It's Ted Baker London. For those of you guys who do not know who or what Ted Baker is, Ted Baker is a British designer actually. He specializes in menswear, women's wear, and also accessories, but I had no idea that he was actually doing cosmetics as well and eyeshadow palettes as well. This is the second eyeshadow palette that he's done, and he's been doing it during the holiday season. So he did one last year which came in a gold packaging, and this year's one came in this packaging, the navy blue. I absolutely adore this packaging. It's just so gorgeous and it looks good quality as well. My eyelid, you know, all of it is from this palette except from the matte one that I use on the far corner of my eye, which is a different palette, because when you open the inside, this palette does not have any matte in there. All this side is mirror, and then the shadows are this way. So I'm going to turn it this way and show you properly. And this is how it looks like. It's got a plastic sleeve. It looks a little bit messy because I've actually used it. It's got a plastic sleeve on top of it, which is attached to it. So this is how it looks. I've taken it off. And it also comes with, oh no, it comes with a brush. Because I've just done the makeup, I took the brush out and now I can't find the brush. Where's the brush? This is the brush there. Like I said, I've just done this look with it, so that's why it's looking very dirty. These are the shades in there. They all shimmers. Like I said, the top row, I'm holding it upside down, but the top row has 5 shades and the bottom row has 3 large ones shades. I love these shades, and the shades I've actually used on my eyelids is this one here. I've used that shade there, this shade, I've used that shade, I've used that shade, I've used that shade, and that shade, because I just wanted to use all of it to see how the pigment is like. So I've used quite a bit of shades from this palette. You can actually get maybe 2 or 3 looks from this palette. There's no matte in there, it's all shimmers. That's the only thing I do not like about this palette. The pigment is really good. You know, you can tell from my eyelid is very pigmented. And also one other thing this palette does not come with is, again, it doesn't come with any names. If you look closely, it has crackers. I'm guessing these are crackers. So the crackers logo on each shade. It is so beautiful. It doesn't have any strong smell to it either, and it's actually 12 grams. Now I'm going to be doing some swatches for you to see how pigmented you've seen how it looks like on my eyelid. So I'm going to be doing swatches on my arms because it's upside down. Right, when you turn it the right way, I'm going to swatch from left to right. Absolutely gorgeous. Golds and rose. So majority of them are gold and rose golds, and there's a red here, and also the last one is a chocolate color, and they all shimmers. I'm gonna swatch the last row, which is 3 shades. Again, I'm gonna be doing it from left to right. Whitish silver. This is the last row. Look how gorgeous these shimmers look like. I love them. I've done my foundation, my concealer, anything, contouring, everything. So now all I'm going to do is do the eyeshadow and then do the rest of my makeup, apply my lipstick and everything. But before we do the eyeshadow, I'm going to be putting setting powder, which is the Sacha. I'm going to be using this red, that red there on the corners. So we're going to be not really halo, but we're gonna try and do sort of like a halo look. Before we start, again, I'm going to be applying the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer from Maybelline on my eyelid. This will help the eye pop. eyeliner, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Tattoo Signature eyeliner, and it's in black. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Happy New Year to you guys again. Mwah. God bless you guys. Bye.